Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Like Tommy C. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, waiting to bring you live to the Excel Center, and I would like you to meet a very special person who has been helping me out along the way. This is Mr. John Tabor, who's our math instructor here at the Excel Center, and he's also our tech champion.
Hi guys, welcome to Tommy's channel. Nice to meet you all.
Would you like to tell a little bit about yourself?
Sure, I'm the math teacher here at the Excel Center in Bloomington. We are a program that offers any individuals who are 18 and over a high school diploma program. If they don't have their high school diploma, they can come, they can get checked in and registered, they can take classes and start earning their credits to earn their high school diploma.
And I'm currently been here since what year?
You've been here forever, Tommy. It's been a good ride. You've been here for what, a year and a half?
Yeah,
or so?
yeah, a year and a half, and this is Keel, who's one of the life coaches.
That's right.
And this is, if you guys ever get a chance, the Excel Center does like a graduation. They have a winter and a summer graduation. And this is, just let you guys know, this place is open at what time if they want to go enroll?
They can come at any time, starting at 9 o'clock in the morning if they want to get checked in. We've got online applications, or they can do it from home at excelcenter.org/enroll. They can also do it from home and get checked in there.
All right, thank you very much. Now, Keel, can you tell us a little bit about your standpoint on how to help out along the road?
Yeah, so we help remove barriers in people's lives and help solve the problems as they attend here and get them jobs if they need jobs, or help them understand their classes and just help them along their way and be a support system for them.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
I'll make sure this gets posted and we'll try to get some people.
Good to have you.